Early access, huge potential crypto airdrop. Don't miss this. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Airdrop Now. In today's video, I've got an ultra-early project for you, Etherreal. Last time, we staked stablecoins for about a month and ended up receiving double the value in tokens. Many of you made solid profits from that one. Well, today's project is just as exciting, Etherreal. Let's go over what this project is, how it works, and how you can get involved early. What is Etherreal? Etherreal is a DeFi project operating under a World Liberty Fund, the same group behind the well-known ENA project. If you're familiar with ENA, you'll find Etherreal to be quite similar. It runs on Ethereum and has two key components: NA, the native token of the platform; USDE, the stablecoin that powers the ecosystem. That's really all you need to understand at the core. Etherreal functions as both a spot and perpetual DEX, similar to Hyperliquid. The project has been in development for a while, and as of this video, it has just launched less than 24 hours ago. That means this is the best time to get in early. Why this could be a big opportunity? If you remember ENA, it gained massive attention as soon as it launched. And those who got in early made serious gains. Etherreal has the potential to do the same. ENA's price dipped when the market slowed down, but once the altcoin market picked up again, it rebounded strongly. If Ethereum's price rises, ENA is still one of the top projects expected to benefit. The same logic applies to Etherreal. On top of that, institutions seem to be taking notice. World Liberty Fund has been increasing its Ether holdings, and Grayscale has listed ENA as a Q1 pick. These signs indicate that larger investors may be interested in this ecosystem. How to get started with Etherreal? Right now, Etherreal is in Season 0, meaning they are onboarding early users. Here's how you can earn rewards by participating early. 1. Deposit USDE into Etherreal. Then buy USD on Bybit. Withdraw it to Ethereum mainnet using MetaMask. Deposit it on the Etherreal website. There's no lockup period, so you can withdraw anytime. 2. Staking at ENA for more rewards. Buy ENA on Bybit. Withdraw it to Ethereum mainnet. Stake it on Etherreal to earn both Etherreal and ENA points. You can choose between two approaches. Stablecoin farming with USDE, a safer option with steady returns. Staking ENA for higher rewards. More risk, but higher potential gains. It all depends on your strategy. Staking ENA for more rewards optional. Buy ENA on Bybit. Transfer it to Ethereum mainnet. Connect to the Etherreal platform and stake it. Earn Etherreal and ENA points. Important notes. Unstaking ENA takes 7 days. Locked staking SENA takes 14 days but offers higher rewards. Final thoughts. That's everything you need to know to get started with Etherreal. As always, I'll be sharing more updates in my Telegram group, so make sure to join. Personally, I've made great profits with ENA, and I see massive potential in Etherreal as well. If you're serious about maximizing rewards, now is the best time to get in. Don't miss out, get started today. See you in the next video.